afternoon po to everyone, ladies and gentlemen, friends and dear elders. Good evening and good afternoon and welcome to our Christmas celebration of Era Tai Chi Bayanihan Wellness Filipinas anniversary. I am so glad to see all of you here tonight. Your presence truly brings warmth and happiness to our gathering. A special thank you to our young at heart, beautiful and creative ladies and gentlemen out here, to Green Heights family, to Las Piñas family, Philinvest family, and last but not the least, Bayanihan Muntinlupa family. With those dresses and costumes, we encourage you all to be confident para sa nagagandahang efforts na nilaanin nyo para sa selebrasyon na ito. Your wisdom and love are treasures in our community, and we are grateful for each of you. Kami ay nagagalak na makapiling kayo muli para sa maligayang araw na ito. We've got a fun and lively program planned for you tonight. Get ready for some delicious food, exciting games, singing, dancing, and so much more. There's something for everyone, and we encourage you to jump in and enjoy the rest of the night. I also want to take a moment to thank our founding chairman of Era Tai Chi Bayanihan Wellness, Dr. Dipo Jo Baldonasa. Your hard work and dedication have made all of this possible. We appreciate everything you do for our community. So let's make the most of this beautiful evening together, share some laughter, and create wonderful memories. Let the celebration begin. Thank you all.
Thank you, anak ko.
Pang-view ko na.